Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I got this parcel from Smytten app. If you are someone like me who orders trial packs before buying the full size products, this video is for you. Let me show you what I got for 282 rupees from Smytten app. Let me unbox the parcel for you. You can buy the trial packs of the popular brands before buying the full size products. Here, let me show you. The first item in this box is phone holder. This is used to hold the phones or mobiles. And the next product is foxtale vitamin C brightening serum. Actually it's a full size product. It has a quantity of 30 ml. I will review the product in another video. Here you can see the quantity of the product is 30 ml and the MRP of the product is 595 rupees. And the next product is COB rechargeable keychain light. It comes with a USB charger and it is used as a bottle opener, and it comes with a mini stand in it. And the last item in this box is Bombay foldable face razor for women. The quantity of this box is 1 unit. The MRP of this product is 99 and it has instructions written on it. These are the products I got from Smytten app. Let me review all the products in detail in another video. Thanks for watching.